BPE stands for Boosted Innovation, Optimized Product Value, and Efficient Engineering.
Listen to Roland Berger partner Jochen Gleisberg in an interview about engineering efficiency as a core goal for companies. Mr. Gleisberg, is it true that engineering efficiency has gained in importance?
Yes, most definitely. And there's good reasons for this. First of all, we have more and more products, more niche products in order to cover all the different demands. And secondly, the product lifecycle has shortened over the last years. Both effects lead that engineering needs to need more and more products in shorter times. Thus, in order to do this efficiently, it becomes more and more important in order to become and stay competitive.
Engineering efficiency is a core goal for companies.
Yes, and for good reasons. Based on my experience from projects in this field, we can gain up to 15 to 25% efficiency and at the same time realize shorter time to market of 20 to 30%. Both are tremendous figures and help really to improve the bottom line of a company.
So, what's the problem?
Well, unfortunately, it's not that easy to realize. First of all, the transparency in a lot of cases is not given. Secondly, we are talking about here historically grown footprints, structures, processes. And thirdly, it's also about, we are talking about here the core or the heart of a company. The engineering functions is considered sometimes a bit holy. I think this is not the right way to approach it, because from my perspective, also engineering needs to be treated like any other functions and thus also managed, and efficiency gains should be in the focus here as well.
What do you think are the biggest inefficiencies in engineering?
Normally, it starts already with the transparency and the management system in order to deal with it. Let me give you an example. We are talking about here that we have different projects and different products in order to develop within, say, the next year. Based on these output, a certain engineering budget is developed in resources and cost. Now, unfortunately, these projects are not stable. Sometimes new projects arise. Everyone says, oh, I need additional budget, additional resources. But sometimes also projects are postponed or cancelled. Here, I have very hardly heard in engineers, oh, I have too much budget, too much resources, please take them away again. Thus, in order to keep here the right balance, it's a huge challenge for management. But secondly, we are also talking about here old and sometimes out-of-date processes and structures. They need to be modernized and bring up to speed. And thirdly, we're also talking about the differentiation between core and non-core technologies and competencies. Also, these need to be managed much closer and better.